I've done a lot of research in terms of how I can help my skin age slower. And one of the things I found to help with that is Rejuvenated Collagen Shots, which look something like this. Now, Rejuvenated Collagen Shots are a collagen supplement, but they're not just a collagen supplement. It's filled with other amazing beauty ingredients such as hyaluronic acid, which might sound a bit scary, but hyaluronic acid is something that our body naturally produces, and it helps plump out our skin and kind of makes our skin just more hydrated. The collagen inside Rejuvenated Collagen Shots is hydrolyzed collagen, which means it works really effectively to help the skin look and feel more youthful. It also contains loads of antioxidants, zinc and copper, and lots of things that just help make our skin look the best it can at the age we are today. Rejuvenated Collagen Shots work from the inside out, and you'll start seeing results from as little as 4 weeks, and you'll start seeing maximum results when you get to month 3. I'm going to tell you the results that I found with drinking Rejuvenated Collagen Shots, and some of the results were really surprising to me. So I found that my skin felt plumper and looked plumper. So it didn't get rid of fine lines and wrinkles completely, but I found that by drinking them, probably when it got to about month 3, those fine lines looked less deep. Now, after 4 weeks of drinking Rejuvenated Collagen Shots, I got a really surprising effect, and that was my dark circles started to lessen because my skin started to look slightly more opaque, and just kind of, I found that I could wear less foundation, which was a complete bonus. I've got a lot of scars on my body from having psoriasis and eczema, and I found that after drinking collagen shots, those scars started to fade. They haven't gone completely, but the redness and that purple tone of scars started to fade, and I also found that some of my stretch marks really started to fade as well. So I've had fantastic results with Rejuvenated Collagen Shots, and the results have far outweighed and outperformed the results that I've got from other collagen supplements that I've tried. I really started to see aging on my hands first. Now, you may find that, you have other areas of concern. So I was really interested in the difference that it could make to my hands. And what you'll see on screen now is the before and after. And the after is having taken Rejuvenated Collagen Shots on about week 12. For Rejuvenated Collagen Shots to have the very best effect on your skin, it's really important that you drink this every day. To make up a Rejuvenated Collagen Shot, you're going to just put 1 scoop into a glass of tepid water, whisk with a fork and leave for a minute, and then whisk again. But you should find that the collagen shot dissolves really quickly. Now, if you find that that collagen shot is taking a little bit longer to dissolve, it might be that the water you're using is too cold. So for example, really ice cooled or chilled water from the fridge makes it a little bit harder to mix, so I suggest using tepid water. The taste of these Rejuvenated Collagen Shots are very delicate. To me, they taste like a fruit tea, so very subtle. For me, Rejuvenated Collagen Shots is kind of my insurance. For me, it helps slow down the aging process. Now, I have friends that also take Rejuvenated Collagen Shots, and they tell me that it's actually really helped their hair feel fuller and thicker. And I've got other friends that tell me that actually their joints hurt less and they just feel a little bit more supple. I hope you're going to really experience the positive effects from Rejuvenated Collagen Shots, and I'd love to see your before and after photos too.